Sino si Gabriela? Kung gusto natin siyang makilala, kailangan nating balikan ang mundong kanyang ginalawan. Kung saan siya nagmahal, nasaktan, at kung saan siya unang namulat. Gabriela was born in Santa, but she grew up in Vigan. She was raised by priests, later on arranged to be married to her first husband, then widowed a few years after that. As I walked the same roads she did, napaisip ako, what would have been her life then? Imagine lahat yun nangyari bago pa niya nakilala si Diego Silang. Pumunta kami sa National Museum of Ilocos to get a glimpse of the past. The museum was once the provincial jail. Dito din kaya siya kinulong? Inside the museum, you do not only get to know Vigan, but Ilocos, its people, and their history of resistance.
Nagmarcha sila papunta dito sa Bicla noong September 16, 1807.
The Basi Revolt happened, ilan days, Sam?
13 days.
13 days. Whereas the Silang Revolt, the Malayang Ilocos, lasted for almost a year.
Ito na yung time na si Governor Juan Ibanez ay nililiko na yung mga tao from the southern part of Ilocos, informing them na any moment ay lulusog yung mga taga from the north. Yan. And then, nagpakita po dyan yung Great Comet of 1807. Nagpakita dyan daw yung nagpakita daw may mangyayaring masama, sakuna, signos.
The Great Comet.
Comet, ganda!
And then yung mga nakapag-survive, sila na rin po mismo ang nagbukay, naglibing sa mga kasamaan po nila.
So, andito tayo ngayon sa exhibition ng Basi Revolt sa National Museum ng Ilocos. Pero yung maganda rin natin makita na kahit this is at 1807, no, it also showcases the different hierarchies that existed back then. Dito makita natin yung mga naghahari ng mga alkalde at mga Kastila, no? And then dito, punta po tayo dito. Siyempre, the powers that be, the frailes, the Agustinian fathers who were present and dominated the land. But of course, we also see the division here of the more powerful principalia. Makita yung susuot nila. And the Kailianes. And hopefully, we get to see that in the musical. No, clear yung mga hierarchies and also the bravery, mostly of the Kailians and the Ilocanos of what.
After the museum, we got to meet the mayor. Tapos syempre, food trip ulit. Ilocos empanada naman.
Grabe!
Ang gaganda ng mga bahay sa Calle Crisologo. Ganito kaya kalaki bahay ni Gabriela noon? You could say she was privileged, but she didn't choose to stay in her mansion. Instead, she walked the streets of Vigan at lumaban siya.